Hello everyone, we are going to start a new video series. In this case, we are starting with a challenge. That challenge is just this CTF, Iris CTF. So we are exploring on the reverse engineering category, and we are starting with the easy one. That is just the baby ref. In this case, it's just an ELF binary, so we need Linux system just to run it on. But for example, we can use Lyra just to, for example, to perform some reverse engineering stuff. So doesn't matter for that. This is an introduction of a new video series that I'm planning to do. I would like just to publish some YouTube videos as well, but in this case I would like to prefer to just use Twitch just in case just to improve my reverse engineering skills and also share with you guys. So the first one that I am going to do is just a baby reversing challenge. So we are going to use IDA and we are going to use PoundDBG, so that it can be installed from the GitHub. It's very easy. You just git clone, enter that directory and set up, right? So this is very easy to do that. And of course, we can use Rodare, but doesn't matter on that because for this kind of challenge we don't need any kind of scripting or something like that for solve the binary challenge. So in this particular case, we are only use the IDA and some debugging with the PoundDBG, and you know, I think we can solve that. I hope that challenge is easy because I guess that is baby, but maybe not. So we are going to start solving that. Also, I recommend to you just to pass on the follow the War Rabbit blog post that I share with some friends. This is very old blog, but uh, and also this in Spanish language, but you can use the Google Translator to English. And I have a lot of posts related to exploit development that is very basic, but you can check it, and also reversing, right? So I have a lot of blog posts that you can check it if you want. I also have this is very nice this because I did some unpacking on the Insanity Protector that is developed by Herman. It's just an packer. Okay, so let's see. Let's continue that. Okay, now I'm doing that, uh, some output, but okay, I have to figure out what is it. So we have the main function, that is the put string. So okay, and we have an printf and a scan. So I have to put on a user input some input that I don't know what's it. So invalid color, okay. So the invalid color I think is check it. I don't know where, but okay, we can check on this invalid color. So we can use the pseudo because I think it's easier for us, but we can move to the assembly or whatever, right? Okay. So in this case, we have some string compare option that's as already chosen. So I guess we cannot use the same color, I think. Yeah. After that, we have uh, another thing that is food names. Okay, we have in data segment, we have some. offset. This is the colors, and we have the first offset is just the red, blue, green, yellow. So I guess if I just put red, okay, so we can put whatever. Okay, so valid color, and the option was already chosen, so nice. Okay, so so let's see. Okay, so we have colors here, and we have here foods. Okay, and we have chosen color and chosen food. All right, so so okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have the input and the colors. The color is just defined on the data segment. So okay, this is the offset. So this is green. Okay, so the green is 3. All right, so the rest is 1. Okay, go to label. After that, it checks the chosen color. So for example, uh, if this color is already choose, it's entered and puts that option was already chosen. So if not, choosing colors and just to put into the array with the index counter. So yes. Okay. So let's to the book something. So let's see put red for example. So in this case, of course, the first one is the read. So go to label, go to label, and one, one, choosing color. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see. In this case, the jump is not taken because it's the test ex is the jump is not 0, so it's not taken. And move 1 to the variable register plus variable. Okay, now the choosing colors. move to EIX and okay, so let's see what we can do that. Mm, Choosing colors that it's not okay, so let's see. So the chosen color is now 0 because I didn't choose a color before. So I guess this condition uh, is not uh, enter inside this structure control. So if not, the choosing colors with the B7, that the B7 is in this case is just one because it's the red color, and this is stored on that array pointing to the chosen color. So okay, so in this case I choose the color, the first one, so I guess I choose the color, the one color into the right chosen color, so I guess that's it. So if I just put that, okay, okay, so that is check it. Okay, so in this particular case it's just moving to the 0x1 to the in the content of the chosen colors memory address. So we are going to move inside that memory address of the chosen color. So we are moved to the one because I choose the red, and the red is moved into the first position of the chosen color. So that's it, right? Okay, so I guess this is just it's an iteration with the number of on the colors. I think is 4 colors, so it's an iteration loop to the color. So I think it's, yeah, I think that. So let's see, we can do that. Okay, so after we have the food that is the same, that the color is completely the same, and this is the offset of chosen color plus 4 bytes and plus 4 bytes. So okay, so the offset of the the position on the array, right? So that's it. So that's good. So let's see, we can do that. And after that, we have a check. The check is we have some local variable that is a Boolean type, and we have some pointers here. So if we just pass every check in here, we get the flag. So it's executed with system function the cat flag. So sign this is and remote, so we can fetch the remote flag from the server. So that's it. The solution is from the remote server. So we need to figure out which colors and food is in place are in place. So let's see. So let's see we can do that because I guess we can solve it, but I don't know right now the positions. But so we have here an operation, an operation So this is an a boolean, so I guess this will be true. So this is necessary that this is true, because if not this is false, that means that is enter of this if. We need to everything is working properly. Okay, so let's see we can do that. So we need to solve that. So we have the first one. The first one is the chosen food. That is just I'm going to take some notes. So in the 1, 2, 3 position of the chosen food, so we need to this is the third position on the foods that the user inputs choose. So I guess we need to put foods, and we need the first position. Okay, the third position is just it's different to two, so the two. So this is the chosen, and this is the chosen, and this is choose. This is stored the number of the choose. So as I saw on the debugger, this is chosen just the position of the the position of the color. So the first color is 1. So in this particular case, I choose the red as first position. So I guess I have to put a different value that choose. So I need to put as the third position something different than 2. So okay, so let's put on my book notebook that is different to 2, right? So the 2 is just 1, 2. So blue, right? So on food, it's food, sorry, not color, food, and the food of the 2 is pasta. Okay, so let's say pasta, and negative value of pasta, because it's the different, and we need to store the AND operation. So if we have 1 and 1, the AND operation is 1 to the boolean value, so that will be true, right? So we need that this variable is true, because we need something different from that, because that is false. So we need to put as true. So if I have put as true, we just need to put as this variable as true. So okay, so let's continue. So the next is the fourth position, and the fourth position of food is just chicken. So food, fourth position, fourth position of 2 is pasta. So I have to put pasta on the fourth position negative value. So okay, next. So in this case we have one value here, because that's true and that's true. So we need to pass this test right now. We need to pass the offset of that. So this is this 1, 0. So is this the second position of colors? So we need to choose colors 1, 2, 3, and 4. and the second one of the colors is one, so it's red. Something different than red, or okay, so I don't know. This is the second position, so yes, we need to put something different than red because it's one. Because it's one, right? So we have right now also the big one as true, and okay, and also we need to put as true the second one, that is b2. So okay, so the chosen colors, that is the first index of that, is different to 3, so first position is 3, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3 green. So we need to put some green here, so yes, I guess green. Green negative value in the first value of the colors, alright. So next is this offset is the second colors, so the second colors and 3, second colors and 3, second color and 3, the second color and 3, second, okay, so it's green and 3, okay, so the second is green, okay. So we have every statement here is right now true. So okay, I have to choose this one. So the first position of the color is a different value of green, so we need, so the green value is not possible to choose as the first one. The second color is not possible to be chosen, red and green as well. Okay, and the 3 and 4 color we don't know yet, and the fourth we have the third value is, it's kind of possible to be the pasta, and the fourth value is not possible to be the pasta as well. Okay, so this is the we have already right now. So let's continue. Choosing food. So if this is okay, so we pass the test. We pass the test. Oops. So if the choose food 0 is different to 4, enter of this and incorrect and return. So it's return and go away. So we need okay, so we need the first value is equal to 4. So the first food must be the 4. So we need to choose chicken. Okay, so we need to, the fourth value we have to for the chicken. So the first one is chicken. Okay, first one is chicken of the food. Next, we need something different to 3. Something different to 3 in the last position of the food. So of the foods we need something different to that. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Something different than 3. So the 3 is the last position of the food, and the 3 is stick. So we need to in the stick. No, in the third position, no, in the last position, stick. So the fourth position of the food is not possible to be pasta and a stick as well. So a stick is not possible as well. All right, so let's continue with with this position. This position is the third position of the chosen color, so this is not possible to be the fourth. Something different than the fourth chosen color in the three position. So the last color is yellow. So yellow is not possible here. Yellow is not possible in the third position. Alright, let's continue with that. This is the last position of the colors. So the last position of the colors is different, right? So that is must be 2, equal to 2. So 2 is blue. So okay, so the last position of the colors must be blue color. So I think we have already everything to solve that, to solve it. So let's run in. And okay, so the first position of the of colors. So the first position of colors is must be something that is not, for example, we can choose red. The second is not possible to be red, and also is not possible to be green. So we can choose yellow, because the third position is not possible to be yellow, and the fourth position must be blue. So we have to choose here yellow, and the third position is, for example, green, because it's the only choice that I have, and this is blue. Okay, so we have the possible colors, and now the food. Of course, the first one is chicken. The second is not already needed, or just check it. So we can choose, for example, pasta, because the third position is not possible to be pasta, and the fourth position is not possible to be pasta. So I have to choose in the second position pasta, and the third position must be stick, because in the fourth is not possible. So that is a stick, and finally is the pizza. That's the last one. So pizza. Yeah, so we already solved that the CTF right now, because it's running the system function to cut the flag that text. So okay, perfect. So we solved that. So we just need to use that command line. Oh, so I have to put red, yellow, green, blue, chicken, pasta, stick, and pizza. Yeah, we get it. We get the flag right now. So we just put in the input flag and solve it. Perfect. Okay, so let's continue with some more challenge right now. I'm going to take some brief or something like that, because I have to. I'm so a little bit exhausted, but not too much right now. But I would like to continue with that. I think this is, yeah, a lot of solvers right now. Perfect. So okay, so let's stop the video right now, because I solved the first one and I started a new one.